Hey crypto fan, welcome back to the Coin Engineer. I am Emre. Today we'll break down the Bitcoin scarcity. It's right, scarcity. It's driving Bitcoin to smash record after record, hitting insane all-time highs. Why is this scarcity making prices go wild? Could really Bitcoin soar to $150,000 or beyond? So stick with me because I'm about to break it all down with charts. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into Bitcoin scarcity. Alright guys, I'm sharing my screen now to show you some incredible data that proves just how critical Bitcoin scarcity is. Let's start with the basics. There is only a limited amount of Bitcoin available on exchanges, as investors buy up Bitcoin and move it to their cold wallets. The amount of Bitcoin left on exchanges is shrinking fast. This reduces the circulating supply. And when supply drops while demand stays high, what happens? Prices go up. Scarcity is the name of the game here, and it's a huge deal. In fact, Binance founder CZ has been tweeting about this for years, hammering home the point that Bitcoin's limited 21 million supply is a game changer. He's right, it's a critical issue, and I'm keep reminding you of it because it's driving the market. Take a look at this chart. Since the 2024 halving, the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges has plummeted from 2.9 million to about 2.3 million. That's 500,000 to 600,000 Bitcoin pulled off exchanges by investors. This shows growing trust in Bitcoin, and as exchange reserves shrink, prices naturally climb. This is the scarcity effect kicking in. Now let's talk about Bitcoin's halving process. Every 4 years, the halving cuts the amount of new Bitcoin produced, making mining tougher. Price surges that send Bitcoin soaring. Check out this chart of past halvings. In 2020 and 2024, we saw big rallies about 4 weeks after each halving. In 2025, we are expecting another bull run around that same time frame, 4 weeks from now. Why? Because mining gets harder and less Bitcoin is produced. For example, in 2025, only about 160,000 new Bitcoin were supposed to be mined, but over 165,000 have already been scooped up by investors. That's a supply-demand mismatch in screaming scarcity. And here is another chart showing Bitcoin's mining's difficulty, with cost averaging $86,000 to $98,000 per Bitcoin. But with Bitcoin trading at $118, miners are in green. And guess what? They are not selling. Miners are holding on to their Bitcoin, expecting this bull run to push prices even higher. Back in 2015, mining costs were just $200, $300, but now they are $86,000 to $90,000. That's how much harder it is to produce Bitcoin today. Let's zoom out to the bigger picture. The crypto ecosystem is buzzing with good news. In the US, David Sachs, a key figure in crypto regulations, keeps sharing positive updates, like another win for crypto. They are even hosting Crypto Week in US, signaling mainstream adoption. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, with an $8.5 billion fortune according to Forbes, is making waves too. He is sharing White House updates, and even got a signed watch from Trump for investing in his coin. And big players like Bitwise's CEO are bullish, predicting Bitcoin could hit $125,000 soon, and maybe even $200,000. Why? Because major companies are building Bitcoin treasuries, buying up huge amounts regularly. Now check out this chart of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. Since the US approved these ETFs, massive money has flowed into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Green bars show money pouring in, inflow, while red bars showing outflows. And the greens are dominating. This is the clear sign of the bull run heating up. Why does all this matter? It's simple. Scarcity plus, institutional adoption plus, growing trust equals a massive price surge. Big names like Ripple CEO and Justin Sun are hyping up the positive news. And add to that expectation of US interest rate cut, which will make money cheaper and drive more investment into Bitcoin. Sure, there's a talk of Fed Chair Powell resigning, which could cause a short-term dip. But in long term, I'm betting on a huge rally. So that's a wrap. Bitcoin scarcity is here and it's sending prices to the moon. Scarcity, ETF approvals, and skyrocketing the demand are creating the perfect storm for Bitcoin's next leap. So what do you think? Drop your predictions and comment below. I'll read every single one. I want to hear your thoughts. So if this video got you hyped, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you'll never miss a Coin Engineer video. Thanks for watching, stay bullish, and I'll catch you on the next one.